All right, we're back here at the Palazzo Ristorante in Rotterdam. We've got Amanda. Amanda, so you're managing the bar out front?
Yes, I am.
That's awesome. Into mixology.
Yes.
How many years have you been doing this?
About 20 now.
20 years. So you're an experience.
I'm a little old.
You look young.
Thank you.
So we're going to order some mocktails because I know that you're going to keep developing the cocktail menu and the mocktail menu. She's going to have a seltzer with cranberry and a little splash of pineapple juice. I would like a seltzer with lime juice and a splash of orange juice with 3 limes. Thank you. Hey, any flair bartending? You're going to be doing any flair bartending?
I'm not.
None of that competition stuff, spinning bottles. All right, so we got our pizzas in, but we want to start off with some mocktails.
Perfect.
Thank you, Amanda.
Thank you.
All right, here they are, Amanda. They look beautiful. Those are awesome looking mocktails.
Don't they look fresh?
They look perfectly fresh.
Enjoy.
Love it. Thank you very, very, very much.
Thanks for coming.
I might give you a few more suggestions of some different mocktails. I'll give them to Joe, and he'll give them to your husband Mark.
There you go.
And like a coffee one would be good too, like a cold brew, and just keep cold coffee there, and
Maybe a little caramel drizzle in the glass.
yeah, something like that. I think
Cream.
if I could get either that or even with an espresso shot in it, given the fact that you have the espresso machine over there. So, and you can upsell these things, man. People are going out and ordering mocktails. So I have not yet to see a coffee one on a menu.
Well, guess what? Palazzo might have to be doing that one.
And see if you can get a couple jars of kombucha in.
Okay.
And add that to whatever you have, kombucha one. I would do a kombucha and a coffee, absolutely. In fact, there's a couple restaurants that have outdoor patios. Okay, so the Sea Smoke Waterfront Grill. And they have oysters on the menu, but it's not Dollar Oyster Day here as it is at the Albany Inn and Oyster House. You can see the prices here for oysters on the waterfront. What I do like is they have a mocktail menu, and we're going to order a couple of these: the Sunrise in the Tropics, strawberry puree, guava juice, mint, simple syrup, and club soda. I'm having the mango mint mojito, non-alcoholic mojito. It has mango juice, mint. I had them take out the simple syrup and add stevia, and fresh squeezed lime juice. Hickory flower floater, tea floater. So that looks good. Mocktails. See, I told you, mocktail menus. Mocktails are showing up on the best restaurant menus in the United States here. I got a nice outdoor patio bar. All the way back to the Berkshires, we came up here to Doc Brown's Lakeside Tap right here on Saratoga Lake. Jeremy's going to tell us the history of Bailey's.
So, well, the building itself actually has been here for a very long time. We actually have murals on the wall of the early 1900s when the building was built. However, it changed hands to Bailey's Cafe back in 1999. And actually, funny story, my sister became a manager here and bought into this place and became one of the part owners, I want to say about 6 years ago now.
What's her name?
Her name is Morgan.
Morgan?
Yeah.
Like Captain Morgan.
Captain Morgan, yeah, you
well,
can
look
say
what
that.
he named me there. He named me a non-alcoholic drink. What do we got in here, Jeremy?
So we have a club soda, 2 dashes of orange juice, and some lime.
Some fresh lime, right?
Exactly.
That's it. Well, look at that. Over 120 years.
Yeah, this place is... Oh, of course you can. Yeah, this place has changed hands quite a few times. I believe before it was an actual deli for the longest time. Or its original purpose was a deli back when we still had dirt roads here.
Wow.
Yeah.
And then they expanded with the patio out here?
Yes, so it actually used to be a complex of buildings, and then they knocked down a few. The original Bailey's building stood here and opened this entire complex up as a patio piece.
I love it. All right, so we've got Chef Rose here at Vice and Virtue and Tim Rankins.
Nice to meet you, man.
Chef Rose.
How you doing?
And Julie, thank you for that awesome press release there.
Yes, sir, 10:30.
We were looking at the menu and accidentally we ended up down here from Rotterdam tonight. Ended up at Marino's for dinner there and all this pasta and meatballs and all that. And then we come down here all the time to hang at Center Street on the patio. But I hear you're going to be opening a patio?
Correct, sir. Yeah. With the garage door right through that wall there.
All right.
Down to the back of the 40 by 40 stamped concrete patio.
Stogies and bourbon night.
I don't drink anymore, and a non-alcoholic menu, chef. You know, we go to the Nest a lot for their. We don't mind paying $10-12 for a non-alcoholic mojito. So you know,
I can put one of those together for me.
all right.
Great profit
There's a
margin right
lot
there.
of folks our age in the mid 50s and 60s that we go out and we like these non-alcoholic menus. That's why we go to the Nest a lot. So we want to come down here. You know why? Because we can park in the parking lot. We can decide to go to Daly's one night, then come over here one night, and then end up every night that we come on the patio, either here or Center Street. So tell me a little bit. What made you open this restaurant?
What made me open the restaurant? I was lost my mind, I think.
You lost your mind.
One day. No, I've been in the business, man. I miss the atmosphere and the camaraderie with the team, and you know, I was spending $2,000 a week eating out, so I said I might as well buy a restaurant and save myself some money.
Hey, that's what Robert De Niro did. Robert De Niro opened all of his restaurants in Tribeca because he likes to entertain his friends. It wasn't about the money. It was about having a place where he could have, you know, hospitality, you know, him and his wife, and enjoy the place. And you got a beautiful girlfriend that's doing your marketing and your press releases. And that's the great part when you have somebody in-house that can do that for you. So look at this room, folks. This is a beautiful room. And the menu, dude, I gotta tell you, in the menu, come on, you got a Delmonico on there, that's gonna work for downtown Schenectady.
And it's a good Delmonico. That's
All
not
prime steaks.
every restaurant around here uses choice. It's
Yeah.
all prime. Looks like snowflakes in the beef. It's expensive, but it's definitely worth it.
It's worth every price. I saw a lot of your
When you eat a
appetizers.
steak, you might as well eat it good, you know?
And I like the charcuterie board. So you got a charcuterie board, you can either have a small or a large.
Yep.
Got some great items on there. Saw that you, I'm looking forward to having those chicken thighs. Is it
good.
Thai chicken thigh?
Thai dirty thighs. Thai dirty thighs. Yep.
All right.
Just fried chicken strips or chicken thighs, and then spicy peanut sauce, crushed peanuts, and then pickled vegetables.
Everything is made in house. Sauces.
Everything's made from scratch
Sauce
by
is
yours
cool.
truly.
Dressings.
That's awesome. Well, Chef Rose, it was nice meeting you. We look forward to eating here. Tim Rankins
my friend.
and Julie Machero, you guys are a great couple. You're beautiful. This place is fabulous.
We are pretty
fantastic. No, you guys did a great job in the interior. I lived in the Stockade for years, so you can imagine. Obviously, I ended up here many times under its
that mocktail
different
list.
transformations, and we'll look forward to them. Even that. Tonight we're having some non-alcoholic cocktails out front in the bar, but the more you add, the more we'll spend.
Sounds good.
All right. Thank you, folks. Have a great night. Downtown Schenectady offers so much. Almost 11 p.m. at night. We've had a full night, a date night out. We've enjoyed some great food, some great company and fellowship. Ran into some friends over at Marino's Flying Pizza and Restaurant. Patio is packed when they have the bands outdoors. Band is playing on the indoors, as you saw. But you get to come outside. It's not too cold. Babe, is it too cold to be out here?
No, it's a nice fire. It's beautiful.
That's it. You got a warm earth right here and some non-alcoholic cocktails. Can you have it any better in downtown Schenectady? All right, here's the outside of Dorothy's. And over there is Dottie's. And here's our Brazilian quartet inside. All right, we're here with Jess at Dorothy's and Dottie's. You've been here how many years?
17 full years.
So now,
I know.
and here's what I like about her menu, folks. You know, I'm a retired executive chef. I think right now what's happening in America with these mocktail menus are showing up on the best restaurant menus. And you have an extensive mocktail menu with a lot of jazzy drinks. And did you come up with that, or was it the whole team effort, or?
Yeah, I mean, I came up with it. I mean, we all are talking and drinking things all over the place and are inspired and love what we do. So I think it's always a collaboration here.
And I think with the family history with bed and breakfast and that, you know, people want that. And you love to dance. We see you out patronizing the other businesses in the area.
I try to dance when I can.
You get out. You got to have some fun. She's got her favorite customers over here, and I'm gonna have a non-alcoholic Bloody Mary that I wanted to get last week when I was here during Mother's Day. Was it Mother's Day? Yeah, it was Mother's Day brunch. Can you make that?
Yes, I can make that.
All right. All right, ladies, what are you drinking here tonight at 7th Street Pub? All right, we're back here in downtown Schenectady, Center Street Public House. We just had a little bit of dinner, got some non-alcoholic drinks, and people are on the dance floor. All right, this restaurant is Dove and Dare, and we drive by here all the time also. And today we're gonna stop in. The patio is open. They do lunch from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Dinner 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. All right. This is beautiful. Now, a drink here. They've got a lot of different stuff going on. They do a lot of salads. I've got some interesting specials here.
Still looking or?
Yes, sir.
All right, make sure you're not waiting for me. Let me know.
They got a shrimp po' boy. That looks interesting. I sneak a bottle of kombucha in. Am I lying? And then I go to the bar and I order like non-alcoholic drinks and add my own kombucha.
There you go.
So, hey.
You gotta give it. If they don't have it, you gotta put a little in there, right?
Amen. All right, look at these pizzas. This one here is sausage, pepperoni, and anchovy. This is the sausage, pepperoni, and mushroom. But I want to take a peek underneath on that. That's beautiful. Sausage, pepperoni, and anchovy. And we've got the grated Parmesan, chili flakes. But I want to try this pizza as is, without putting any of that stuff on there. And look at the bottom. It's got a nice color to it.